Welcome back to the Love Vegan Kitchen, and this week a really nice recipe, one of my own creations. It's my own version of a beef and onion stir fry served on a bed of noodles. Very simple but delicious dish. So this week we're going to be using a mock meat of your choice, some sliced courgettes, some carrots which I've got with a razor sharp peeler, and these are just sliced lengthways down an entire carrot to give you these beautiful thin strips. We've got some slices of red onion. To garnish, we've got some spring onion, a few greens and a wedge of lime. This will all be served on a bed of rice noodles. And the entire dish is going to be cooked in some delicious mushroom sauce. So that's it, prep's done, it's all very simple. Let's jump over to the hob and get cooking. So we're going to add to the pan some of our mock meat. Give it a bit of a fry. Just want to start this off just slightly ahead of the vegetables. So once your mock meat has just started to brown up a little bit, time to add in some of the courgette slices. So I like to distribute them evenly on the pan, just so they start to get browned off and pick up some of the flavours from the mock meat here. Really should be using a slightly bigger pan, but here we go. I like to just cook these until they're lightly browned on one side, then we'll flip them over and we'll start browning the other side with the vegetables. So once your courgettes have started to brown up on one side, just flip them over. We'll start cooking them on the other side. Okay, and then we're going to add some of the carrot and some onion. You just need to keep lightly stirring and just keep an eye on the veg. Literally so simple, just stir fry it until the veggies are nearly cooked. So we'll kind of get in there, I'll just give them a few more minutes and then we'll add in some sauce. Once your veg is looking nearly cooked, just want to add a bit of the mushroom sauce in there and just give it a stir. Smells really good. Okay, well that sauce just cooks into the mock meat. Just put some hot water on the noodles and then we're ready to serve. So we've just cooked our rice noodles in hot water for a couple of minutes. They're all tender and ready to eat. Veggies are cooked, time to serve up and try the dish. Let's see if I can do a presentation this week. Build it up layer by layer. Let's get that one out of the way. Just going to garnish with some spring onions. A little bit of your favourite leaf and 1 or 2 slices of lime, and there we go. Beef and onion, vegan style on a bed of noodles. Absolutely delicious. Do try this at home. It's super simple to make, it looks amazing and it tastes great. As usual, try the dish out. Please tag us on Instagram, we'd love to see how you get along. Thank you very much for joining us again this week. See you next week for another exciting vegan recipe. Yeah?
Really good.
Okay.
You can have some more. Can I have them all?
Yeah, you can have it all. I'll cook another one.
That's really good. Really, really good.
Thank you.
I don't really want to share with you.
So I'll just have this carrot.
Yeah. Feel free to have carrot. Bye.
There you go. Thanks for watching.